Okay, class 11. Today we will going to learn how we can install Python to our computer. So this is the very beginning of the Python class. So you just write here google.co.in. In Google, we will going to write Python download. Python download. So here it is Python download. So when Python download you see in your computer screen, just click on the Python download. Make sure you just follow this link python.org downloads. Okay, so this is the official website. There you can download Python. Better to go for the latest version of the Python, that is Python 3.8. So I have already downloaded, so I'm not downloading here. I just show you how to use this one. Let me minimize this one. Now let me click to my PC, this PC. Thereafter I will go to location E drive. Here in E drive, there you can see I have created a Python folder. There I have kept the Python 3.8. You need to create a Python folder, or you can keep it in your software folder. Just click on Python. See, there I have three Pythons here. Let me make it large. Then you need to click on this Python 3.8. Okay, as I have downloaded Python 3.8 before, that is why it's showing modify, repair, or uninstall. So I'm not going to do it anything here. You just click on the Python folder and load it. Okay, I'm just canceling here. So whenever you open the Python folder, you will going to get the installation file. There you need to click. I'm canceling this one for the moment. Okay, so whenever you downloaded it the Python, you need to search box, you need to go to the search box, and there you will write Python pi. See, once I have written Python py, I comes with, I can see these options 1 2 3 4. So I will click on here Python IDLE. Let the Python IDLE open. Okay, once the Python IDLE open, you can start working here. So here I can write, you can do all kinds of, initially, you can do all kinds of mathematical calculation. For example, 2 plus 3, sorry, 2 plus not here, 2 plus 3, you can see, show you the result, 5. If you write 2 plus 3 plus 5, you will get 10. Similarly, if you write 8 minus 3, you will get 5. So all kinds of mathematical operations are possible in Python. Now let me write 3 minus 8. Sorry, 3 minus 8. So you got the result minus 5. Similarly, if you write 3 into 8, you get 24. Now if you write 3 double star 8, what will be the output? Let me check. Let me tell you what is the output. 6561. Okay, what does it mean? Why is it 6561? Okay, let me tell you. Let me take a smaller number. 2 double star, sorry, double star 3, 8. So double star means here power. 2 double star 3, it means 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3. It comes 8. Let me try with 3. 3